friends. Today we're going to be working on page 4 and page 14. Page 14 has this guy playing the violin. Page 4 is actually the very last page, and it has no picture, but a bunch of lines on it. We're going to start here. So we're talking today about what makes a statement sentence, and then we're going to look here and we're going to make sure that we start every sentence with a capital. All right, so a statement is a sentence that tells something. A statement begins with a capital letter and ends with a period. Read each pair of statements. Circle the statement that is correct. So one of these is correct and one of them is incorrect. She runs and jumps. We jump too. I am noticing that this one has a capital and a period. This one has a capital, but it's missing the period. So we're going to circle this one right here because it has a capital and a period. Number 2, he sits down. Jack rides with me. Which one is the correct one? I'll pause and you can tell me. All right, good job. We notice that there's a capital here and a period. Well, this doesn't have either one of those things. So we're going to circle Jack rides with me. Number 3, my cap is in here. Pam cannot see it. I'll pause and you can tell me which one is correct and which one is incorrect. You guys are so good at this. You noticed right away that there's a capital and a period. So we're going to circle this one, and this one you told me is missing the period. Number 4, I want you to do it by yourself. All right, so now that we're done with page 14, we're going to turn to page 4. Like I've said before, as we're working in our grammar book, these words are meant to be accessible to everyone. What does accessible to everyone mean? It means that they wrote using very simple words that almost everybody in our class is able to read easily. So they're not trying to trick you with hard words. They're just trying to make sure that you recognize what makes a sentence, where capitals and periods go, and how to use our grammar appropriately. Up here it says, a sentence is a group of words that tells a whole idea. Every sentence begins with a capital letter. So it says to write each sentence correctly. I'm going to do one with you. You're going to do 2 more, and then we'll do this one together. We can nap here. So right away we see that it's missing its capital. So I'm going to make my capital W, we, and then finish my sentence nice and neat here. There's plenty of room for some neat writing that should be easy for everybody to read. Whoops, I did the wrong here. I did hear like hearing with my ears. We can nap here. The next 2 you're going to do on your own. You can pick any of these. Remember to put a capital and a period. If you do not do that, I'll turn it back to you. Go ahead and do that right now, and then let me know when you're finished. The last one says, add words to make this into a sentence. Nan has. So the first thing we're going to do is capitalize that Nan. Nan is a name of a person. Nan has, plus it's at the front of a sentence, so that means it should be capitalized for 2 reasons. Nan has. And then you can finish it by telling me whatever Nan has. Nan has a dog, Nan has cookies, Nan has blonde hair, Nan has nice kids. Nan has a super duper cool car. Whatever you want to tell me that Nan has the flu. Finish that off and make sure that you put that ending mark on there too. Take a picture of both pages 4 and 14 and turn it in to me on Seesaw. Thank you, friends.